Today's video, I'm gonna show you 7 hair growth hacks that will help you to grow your hair faster. So drop a like if you enjoyed this video and let's begin. We're gonna jump right into the first hair growth hack, which is adding some rosemary oil to your regular shampoo. If you're not doing this, you're missing the hair growth train. The reason you want to add rosemary oil to your shampoo is due to its proven benefits in penetrating the scalp, promoting better circulation, and with this hair growth. For your hair to grow, you need to promote as much as blood circulation to the scalp as possible. And rosemary oil is one of those essential oils that allows this to happen. So here's what you're gonna do. Open your shampoo, then use some pure natural rosemary oil. You're gonna add 4 pumps of this oil directly into your shampoo, then close the lid and mix a little bit in this way. Don't shake it, and that's it. Next time you wash your hair, your shampoo is not only gonna clean your hair, it will also boost hair growth. So the next hair growth hack not only involves faster hair growth, but also length retention, which is a very important factor in growing longer hair. And this one involves doing rice water rinses at least 2 times a month. I like to refer to the rice water rinses as a scalp smoothie because it literally feeds your scalp and hair with tons of vitamins, amino acids, and inositol, which are all essential hair growth components that will protect, repair, strengthen your roots, and retain the moisture for days. So I'm gonna show you how to make this overnight rice water recipe that I make on the days where I don't have time to cook and ferment the rice water for weeks, you know? So for this, you're gonna begin by washing half a cup of uncooked jasmine rice. After this, add 3 cups of water to this clean batch. Next, shake it a little bit to get that milky water out of the rice, and then all you're gonna do is to let it ferment overnight. Next day, make sure to filter the water from the rice before you apply. And when you do this rice water rinse, you want to shampoo first and then you follow up with the rinse in this way. Then cover your hair and allow the rice water to sit on your hair for 10 minutes. And when time is up, rinse with water and make sure to follow up with a conditioner or any type of moisturizing hair mask, which is important since protein treatments can strip the hair. By the way, if rice water makes your hair dry, instead of doing this rinse, spray it only on the scalp 10 minutes before washing your hair and then follow up with your regular hair wash routine. Since we're still in the shower, my next hair growth hack is using a scalp exfoliator every time you wash your hair. For the longest time, I neglected the health of my scalp, and no wonder why I was having trouble growing my hair. And I really hope you learn from my mistake. Like I said before, to grow hair, you need to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. So the more you do this, you'll see better results. And this is why including a scalp exfoliator to wash your hair is a powerful tool for promoting faster hair growth, because this not only create a healthy scalp environment for your hair to grow by scrubbing away buildup and dandruff that sometimes the fingertips can do. This also increases blood circulation due to the scalp massage you do while you wash your hair. So the best technique is to scrub back and forth in small sections using gentle pressure, always focusing on the areas where you get the most greasy or itchy. When I got this, I used to scrub in circular motions and it caused tons of tangles in my hair afterwards. So I switched to this type of motion, which causes less tangles and still cleans the scalp very well. Alright, let's move on to the next hair growth hack, which is oiling the scalp with castor oil and peppermint oil. If you want to grow hair faster, you need to have a hair growth oil in your routine. If you don't know, oils have a better affinity to the skin, meaning that they will definitely get absorbed into the scalp. If you ever use products with peppermint oil, you probably experience the cold tingling feeling on your scalp. And the reason you're feeling this is because of the increase of circulation to the area that peppermint oil produces, which is what is going to help you to promote hair growth. And when is mixed with castor oil, it will also help to strengthen the hair follicle, keeping them young, healthy, and in constant growth. So let me show you how to make this hair growth oil. So in a clean container, mix equal parts of Jamaican castor oil with jojoba oil. This will make the consistency less thick, so it is nice to use it on the scalp. And now add 10 drops of pure peppermint oil to the mixture, mix it a little bit, and that's it. Normally I use this oil 3 times a week before bed with a 5-minute scalp massage. Sometimes I use my hands, and most of the time I use this tingling tool which feels like glory. By the way, I got this squeeze bottle which makes applying this oil so much easier and less messy. Also, keep this hair growth oil right next to your bed so then you can remember to use it, okay? Before we move on to the next hair growth hack, I would like to thank Native for sponsoring this video. I love to use Native because they create deodorants that not only keeps me super fresh during the day, also their products help me to decrease plastic use in my life. Native deodorants are free of aluminum and parabens. They're also vegan and cruelty-free. Their ingredients are simple and familiar, which is nice. I really like the texture because it's not sticky, dries quickly, and the scent stays all day long even after exercise. Native offers a wide range of scents, and these are the ones that I've been trying. This is their coconut and vanilla, which gives me beach vibes, and their aloe and green tea is for sensitive skin, which has a soft calming smell. And my favorite is the eucalyptus and mint, which has a super fresh, earthy, clean fragrance. All Native plastic-free deodorants use the same formula as their regular deodorants with much more sustainable packaging made from paperboard, which makes Native a proud partner of 1% for the planet, committing 1% of plastic-free deodorant sales to environmental nonprofits. Normally 3 of these plastic-free deodorants are $39, but if you use my link and code, you can get them for $29, which is 25% off, so make sure to check them out. I'm gonna repeat this again. Blood is what makes your hair grow. So another hair growth hack that plumps blood into your scalp is doing the inversion method. It's been over a year since I've been doing the inversion method, and all I have to say is positive things about it. Some months I see little growth, other months I see great growth. Overall, it is worth it to include it in your hair growth journey. So the right way to do the inversion method is for 7 days straight, only once every month. You don't want to do it for longer because your body gets used to the inverted position, that when you overdo it, all the blood rushing to your head is not gonna have any effect on your body. So here's how you do the inversion method. First of all, you can do this during the day or at night, it doesn't matter. You can use oils or don't use oils with this method, it's up to you, and you are allowed to wash your hair as you normally do while you do the inversion method. So the inversion method basically consists in massaging your scalp for 5 minutes straight, so then we can warm up, wake up the scalp, let's say, and once time is up, you're gonna carefully put your head upside down for 4 minutes straight. Make sure to time it so you don't go longer, and also look for the most safe, comfortable position to do this. And if you feel dizzy, just stop. When time is up, go back to your regular position slowly and you will be done for the day. Just remember to repeat the same steps until you complete the 7 days every month. Alright, it is time to move on to the next hair growth hack, which is adding to your diet omega-3, 6, 9 supplements. It is insane how important the omega-3s are in boosting hair growth. They provide essential proteins and nutrients to the follicles, reduce inflammation, sometimes associated with hair loss, and promote circulation to the scalp, which is what triggers hair growth. When you take this supplement, eat something first and then take the supplement after, because this is how the body is going to absorb the nutrients better. By the way, I've been taking these supplements for about 3 months now, and so far I can see that my roots are growing stronger hair and it has more volume, which is something that I am living for. I still need to give it a little bit more time to see the full results in terms of transforming my hair into a thick one, but so far this is not letting me down. Another interesting hair growth hack is brushing your hair with a wooden comb. I know, that doesn't make sense, but it actually has a good explanation why using this little guy will increase your hair growth over time. The simple reason is that when you brush your hair in the morning and at night with a wooden comb, the wooden bristles, as you can see, act as a scalp massager, which end up stimulating the scalp, improving circulation, the oxygen levels, and with this boosting hair growth. I can't believe believe it took me this long to start using a wooden comb. The massage is so invigorating that you can feel it afterwards, and it comes in handy on those days where you don't feel like massaging and detangling your hair, you know? So what you want to do is to focus this calming massage before bed to relax your scalp from a long day. All you're gonna do is to detangle your ends first and then work your way up to the roots until your hair is fully detangled. Then using gentle pressure, only comb the roots in this way. Make sure to undo your parting to reduce tension on your hair follicles, and after 2 minutes you are basically done and you can follow up with your normal nighttime routine. Also, I want to remind you that knowing how to wash your hair properly, it is core in growing faster hair. So a hack for this one will be picking the days that you're gonna wash your hair and stick to it. Consistency is the most important thing when it comes to growing hair. In terms of all the hacks that I just showed you, you can do all of them every month. You can pick a few ones. The most important thing, like I just said, is to be consistent and hair will grow. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida. Oh, look at this vein popping. I'm so sorry.